Want to delete your TikTok account but not sure how? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to Account and choose the option to deactivate or delete your account. Select Delete Account Permanently. You'll be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. After selecting one, tap Continue. If you'd like to download a copy of your TikTok account data before deleting, you can request the download, check the box, and continue. Once you've reviewed the information about deleting your account, confirm by tapping Continue again. You may need to enter your TikTok password or provide a verification code sent to your email. Once you've entered the required details, tap Delete Account in the pop-up and confirm the process by tapping Delete. Your TikTok account will be deactivated and permanently deleted after 30 days. During this time, if you change your mind, you can log back into TikTok and select Reactivate to restore your account. That's all it takes to delete your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.